This is an N-scale update. This is my brother's layout on his front porch. I think it's like 5 by 22. I haven't done an update for you guys in 6 months. I'll get down there real quickly. He's been working down here. Bought a few things on eBay. Kind of jealous. I haven't bought much stuff on eBay here lately. Really cool. He's been 3D printing some buildings. And he bought this in a set, and somebody gave him that in it, which is awesome. Down here is going to be his yard, I believe. Ooh, he has an E8. Oh, my mind went. This is going to be his train yard and everything down here. He's going to build a slot car track and everything on the front porch. It's a drag strip, I believe. Here's some more 3D printed stuff he's been doing. That's cool. Nick's used cars, that's cool. And he's been printing a lot of military and some other stuff. That's all 3D printed. A lot of painting to do yet. Oh my god. But I believe, from this wall here to that wall is about 24, 22 feet, something like that down there. Here's his main street. I'm working pretty hard on it. It's already got parking lot marked out, sidewalk. I think a fire station is gonna go there. There's what the main street looks like when it's almost finished. It's getting there. I like it so far. He's gonna redo his backdrops later on. I tried to make a couple of these wire trees. I couldn't do it. Car crash. But most of these buildings here, like this one here, has been 3D printed and stuff. And he's got some Indy cars. What? No way. That's cool. Little garage and stuff. I like this the most. The Fast and Furious. Oh, that's cool. I'm not trying to go too fast for you. Okay. Here's some trees he made. Did a real good job making those trees. Alright. If you got any questions or anything about his layout, I'll put a link to his channel. It's N-Scale Division. I'll put a link down to his channel.